the city of Batman. As the noise of the day slowly fades and the sun releases its final light, awakens to a different rhythm, calmer, more enchanting. Beneath a deep velvet sky, lights begin to glow like fallen stars resting between the streets, drawing paths of light and giving the city a warm soul in the quiet of night. Here, nothing shouts, everything whispers. The soft sound of wind between buildings, distant footsteps, and the heartbeat of a city that knows how to embrace its silence. The lights reflect on the quiet roads, like silent stories told without words, about a day that has passed and a dream yet to begin. Batman at night is not just a city, but a canvas of light and shadow, where beauty meets serenity, and the night itself becomes a story for those who know how to listen.